YouTube world, it's your girl Myra and I'm back with another video. Before I get this video started, can you please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified when I upload video. What up, girl? What up, world? How's everybody out there doing? I'm doing good. Today I'm doing another makeup video and it's gonna be a get ready with me because I'm about to go see Glass. If y'all don't know about Glass, y'all better get into it. This movie just came out yesterday and I am thrilled, excited to go see this movie. Like, if you guys didn't see, what was the other movie, Split or Unbreakable before that, like, what y'all waiting for? Like, this movie is gonna be bomb and I can't wait. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do a little quick beat, something cute, you know. I got this little Mickey Mouse little crop top, and you know, I just got this wig in, you know, I ordered it the other day and I just got it in. My baby hairs look kind of messy, pero tú sabes, pa'lante. So if you guys want to see how I create this beautiful look at the end of the video, please keep on watching. complete this look. I hope you guys liked it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your mama, with your daddy, with your cousin, with your whole family. Let them know what your girl's doing over here on this channel, because we lit. We lit. We lit. Yes, guys. So I see you next time with another video. I'm on my way to go see Glass. Can't wait to check it out. So love you guys. Mwah.